Hey, g'day guys, welcome back to another Aussie restoration video, and today I have the most requested thing on this channel, and it is another BMX bike. Let's go have a look.
Whoa, hello Doug. How are you, boy? You good boy? Oh, here it is in all its glory. Now I found it on Facebook Marketplace. It was only 40 bucks, and I'm very lucky to have found it.
Now the one thing that really stands out to me is the tyre, the quality of the tyre. It's in really good condition.
Like, there's very little wear on it. I'm very happy with it, and that'll actually, I can reuse this, and same with the back as well. Very good condition. Props to the owner from before. Definitely does need some TLC. Needs a new chain. Didn't come with one. Just overall needs a good rework. I think it came from Kmart because I recognise that badge. But for 40 bucks off Facebook, not too bad.
So let's get into it. Okay, so while we wait for the paint to dry, we are now going to hand polish these bar clamps. I'm going to try my best, and I'm thinking of doing a black design in here, so let's give it a good shot. Okay, so the bike is finally complete. Come have a look at it.
So here it is, guys. It is finally finished, and it's been a long time coming, being from the old house to this house. So I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out, with the whole color system going on here, and the wheels. I'm especially really proud about them. That took quite a while to like polish these spokes and remove this paint and make that all nice. This took actually the longest. That probably took me a few hours, but turned out really well. Getting a nice mirror finish there. I've always really liked the mirror finish look. Same with the back wheel. New bolts as promised. The wheels turned, oh, not the wheels, the seat turned out well. But yeah, all in all, I'm quite happy with the bike.
So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around this long. If you did, do leave a like, comment, and possibly subscribe. It'll help your boy out really well. And stay tuned for the montage. I'll see you in the next video.